The Sales Funnel Management. The application supports your sales funnel from top to bottom. The goal is to put as many prospects and existing clients on the top and be as efficient as possible to reframe as many as possible and start the MSP 2.0 services. There are 3 different stages in the funnel. The first is the Get Client stage. This process is about getting new clients on board the reframing discussion. The second is the Keep Client stage. This is about the reframing itself. The third is the Grow with Client stage. This is about how we grow with the client step by step. The application package has several features for every step. Check the substeps one by one and highlight the tools you can use. Let's see the Get Client stage first. The first goal is to find prospects. That means you have to get leads from somewhere. You can use the inbound marketing functions for that. You can use your custom self-registering URL in email campaigns, on your website, shares in social media. Build up referral partnerships, affiliates, or you can use your clients to refer this service to their social network. Also, there's a built-in viral engine to let your clients share your landing page through their social networks. Plenty of options to get your prospects to the landing page. The second goal is the signing up of the prospects. We are offering a landing page for that with an explainer video, testimonials, report benchmarks, process description, and other benefits of the workshop with your services, so your prospects can sign up and start the process. Also, you can invite prospects personally from the application, creating the credentials and sending invitations. The third goal is to start the questionnaire. Although the prospects have landing pages and great messages, or receive a direct invitation, it is hard to fight to get 10 to 15 minutes of attention of their precious time. For that, we offer an email sequence to nudge them, which they can get to their mailboxes. This sequence is a motivating, educating process. The sequence is based on their behavior pattern. Like if they signed up already, it does not send mail about that, so it is not spammy. The fourth goal is to finish the questionnaire. They maybe start the questionnaire but get interrupted, distracted, so we can nudge them to finish the questionnaire with email sequences. Or you can even go and see the missing pieces and decide what to do. In the education materials, we highlight strategies to get them to finish the questionnaire. After they finish, you get the notification and there is a built-in tool to fix appointments for you or for the consultants. This helps you get rid of the additional organizing. Regarding the whole Get Client process, we defined the inside sales role in the software. You can have an individual who's responsible for shipping the needed filled-out questionnaire to you or to your consultative sales force. You can set targets for him/her, and you can find the job description and work processes of them in the education section. Secondly, let's see the Keep Client stage. The first goal here is to prepare the report in the report module. Here, you can see the big picture and drill down to the questionnaire in the context of the 7 building blocks. You can highlight the building blocks, the questions and the options, as well as a remark for the conversation. If you need more insights, you can put comments as well next to the elements. These comments can be shown on the client phase report, and it can be shown only on your facilitator's report. Moreover, you can save your typical comments one by one, so you can have predefined comments in time. You can have in-context hints and tips for each element, putting all the best practices into the system. This means if you want to see what questions you should ask, or what the typical stories are, that you can tell in the different areas, you have a lot of resources. You can use the benchmark capability of the software to put meaningful comparison next to their scores. Also, you can generate the report from here and print or save for the workshop. The second goal here is to finish a successful reframing workshop. The main support part here is the 7C canvas, the generated report, and the education materials. There are different strategies of the workshop for different settings, the different client relationships, and the different maturity of the clients. You can dig deep in the education videos to see what the best possible approach for the specific scenario is. Also, we have prepared templates and checklists for the preparation, the facilitation, and the close of the workshop. The 7C canvas is a big help, because if you understand it, you can put everything in context, and you can engage your clients in a very practical way. The outcome of the workshop is an action plan draft with lots of clients' insights. The third goal here is to approve the action plan. This is your next meeting. Also, the meeting organizer is a big help, and you can use the software to fill out the action plan wizard. You can define the different initiatives and segment them regarding timing, priority, size, involvement, uncertainty, budget, and quick ROI. With the Action Plan Builder, you can easily put every action item in a business context and let them approve the plan with timing. Also, you can present everything on the 7C canvas, so this will become a very practical tool for visualizing the plan all the time. The fourth goal here is to approve the first quarterly plan. Here, the rubber meets the road. Your role is the project manager's role. In some cases, the individual action items are in the focus of your MSP practice. In other cases, you have to manage other vendors, or the internal team. The Quarterly Action Plan Builder gives you a very useful tool to put everything in context in a very measurable and accountable way. You can even set up target ITCQ scores after the action plan or the quarterly plan. Also, you are able to use the PSA integration to push opportunities, proposal projects back and forth to the PSA, and back to the application. Your outcome here is an accepted quarterly plan in any way. Regarding the whole keep client process, we defined the consultant's role in the software. This means you can have separate accountable people for each of the clients, with a personalized sales funnel, targets, action plans, results, etc. Thirdly, let's see the Grow with Clients stage. The first goal is to upsell to the different MSP 2.0 services: project management, vendor management, quarterly planning, alignment, supervising internal teams, building up security policies, internal education, running process streamlining, etc. Basically, the leadership roles of the different IT management activities. For that, you can find the MSP 2.0 service offering tools. Here you can see what the different services are, what are the needed resources, skill, how to price it, and so on. You can find the integration parts for PSA-S, so you do not have to build up the service matrix on your PSA manually. The goal is to go step by step regarding what the client needs to set up some of the key elements of the MSP 2.0 IT management roles. You can set targets, make multiple measurements of the ITCQ to show the progress. And also, you can use the Testimonial Creator tool to build up meaningful testimonials which you can share and start the referral cycle. The second goal is to sell the 7C full implementation project. That is the onboarding for the complete MSP 2.0 practice. You can find out the process, the steps, and the needed information in the comprehensive education materials: IT strategy building, IT budget setting, operation plan and controlling alignment, policies, user education, measurement, weekly execution meetings, and so on. The shows, the job description of the VCIO 2.0, the processes, and offered services, and so on. From here, you are able to repeat the quarterly and yearly cycles and grow with the client continuously. So you see, generally this process is a very complex process. We tried to make it as simple as possible with a questionnaire, report, workshop, action plan, and MSP 2.0 proposals. We are going to provide additional education with certifications for you to be able to educate your team members and let you grow further.